Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and permissions. This reduces friction later. Sign into the Google account you want linked and open the Google Play Games app. Once done, grant network and location permissions when prompted. These let Google verify device integrity. Make sure the game you want to link is installed, then tap Sign in inside Google Play Games. This first connection triggers the OAuth flow, so be ready to confirm account selection and any two-factor prompts. Next, you link the game to Google Play Games through the OAuth process. This is where permissions and scopes matter. Open the game, tap Sign in with Google Play Games, then pick the account you prepared. Allow requested permissions so the game can read profile and save progress. Declining prevents sign-in. Once authorized, the game registers your player ID with Google Play Games. Make sure to enable Cloud Save if you want automatic backups and cross-device sync. This prevents future data loss. Finish by verifying your player profile, achievements, and cloud save status inside both the game and Google Play Games. This confirms linkage. If the sign-in appears stalled, force quit both apps, reopen, and retry the OAuth flow. Transient tokens often resolve that way. Make sure you are on a stable network and that date/time is automatic on your device. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the Google Play Games app. This refreshes credentials and usually fixes stubborn auth errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.